Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about how to use your credits and whatnot. Now this is going to be the website itself. It works as a tool where you can sell and buy stuff, just like on your phone as well. As you can see this one. It's just like a marketplace online. So how to use your credits? So let's go to the tutorial right now. Well, the first step for this one is setting up your payments first. Open the application. The account should be on the top right corner. Payments and shipping should be the one you're clicking for. Add a card, maybe a PayPal, an Apple Pay, or you still need the payment method because credits don't cover shipping and taxes. Of course, during a live show, referral credits apply to orders purchased during a live show. Browse a show you like. For example, the one I showed you earlier, or this one right here. This is a live show. You can bid or buy in the show, place bid or buy, and basically the credits are used on the item subtotal only. So checkout credits apply automatically. On the checkout screen, every item you buy on the add to cart option, once you check out, the credits are going to be applied automatically. Think of it as a discount. You don't need a code for referral credits. So pay the reminder as well. Your save payment method will be charged for shipping fees and taxes, so credits don't cover these. Using coupons as well, however, this is optional. If you have a coupon in the qualifying seller's live tap, the wallet should be on the lower right corner. Enter claim the code, and it will auto apply to your next eligible purchase. Bottom line, guys, the most common way to use credit is that if you buy an item, you add it to your cart, and then you check out, the credits will apply automatically. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.